Figured I better make another real quick video because I did not know how to do this. So on the video I watched where they did the rewire, they were laying on the ground, reaching up under here, taking all the gauges and all that out. And I was like, man, that seems like a huge pain in the butt. Now I bought a new ignition switch, but I may retain this one because I like the way it looks. I'll see. But anyway, I didn't know how to remove the dash. I said, I'm not trying to lay upside down the entire time. That's crazy. Plus I want to fill the spotlight hole on the A-pillar. So how do you remove the dash? Got to get the choke cable through the firewall. Got to undo the U-bolt. Around there is a U-bolt that holds this whole steering column on. I don't know if I'll be able to show it without laying under there and seeing exactly what I'm looking at, but if you can see it, there it is. There are two bolts here, which are these, 1/2 inch for both of those, one on each corner. And then one, where's it at? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the dash should pop out. I haven't taken those last two out yet, but it's moving. I mean, so we'll find out here in just a sec. Be right back. And it's out. All right, well, doesn't look too bad. A little bit of rust right there, but not much. Just surface rust, really. Solid, solid, solid. Looks really good under there. Looks good up here once I get all this cleaned off. No rust whatsoever, so that's a plus. Huge bonus. Headliner remnants. And there's the dash over there. Let's go take a look. So you see how much easier it is to do this standing up? Now, of course, I have to get it off the dryer. I have to move all that stuff and put it on there. I did not plan on ripping it out tonight. I did, but I didn't. So my goals are to figure out where these go. I'm going to cut this insulation off. Trace all these wires. Have to decide if I'm retaining the button or not. There's the starter, or the lights. Got all new gauges, so I'll be putting those in. This is out of here no matter what, because I don't need that. Got to figure out if I'm retaining this ignition switch. There's the lighter, definitely keeping that so I can charge my phone. There's the clock. Don't know if it works or not. Don't know how to tell. I don't think you wind it up. I think it's powered, right? It's right here. So we'll hook that up and see what happens. Glove box is in great shape. Ashtray looks brand new. I think that I might paint the whole car this color. It's hard to tell what color it is there, but it's like a dark grayish. I don't know how to explain it. Looks great. So now I'm trying to decide if I'm going to make that deadline or not. April 30th. It should only take me a few days to get the wiring done once I actually get into redoing it all. But I still got to bleed the brakes because there's a crap load of water in the fluid. And at that point, I'm wondering, do I need to redo the lines and the wheel cylinder and master cylinder and all that? Of course, that's going to add a ton of time. Got to get the fuel tank in and all that. That's going to add a ton of time. I don't even know if the transmission works or the rear end works. I have no idea. I've never driven the car. So I might just say, screw this show, not make it to that one. Aim for next year or whatever, or definitely get it on the road by summer, but take this to the painter and get it done. I want to do a deep burgundy. I don't know if I want to do a deep burgundy dash and window trim and all that with a blue car. Looking like Spider-Man riding down the road. So I'll figure that out. But anyway, this is not about that. This is about this. So time to get into it. Just wanted to show you all real fast how to take the dash out and what it looks like behind there once you get it out. It's actually pretty organized. So that's it. All right, back to work.